साइकिल सीक्वेंसिंग के लिए जो रिएजेंट्स और सप्लाईज की ज़रूरत पेश आती है दैट इंक्लूड्स बफर्स, सॉल्यूशंस, उसके अलावा जो टेम्पलेट डीएनए हैं, रेडियो लेबल्ड फॉस्फेट या फ्लोरेसेंटली लेबल्ड प्राइमर्स और न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स हैं, डीडीएनटीपीज हैं. So we are going to talk about them. Buffers or solutions में we will need extension and termination mixture that is going to be used for DDNTPs. Then we are going to need each of the 4 DDNTP at a concentration of 5 millimolar. इसी तरह से जो normal nucleotides हैं required for the DNA, that is DNTPs, they are going to be used at a concentration of 1 millimolar. Again the 4 nucleotides. So in total अगर देखा जाए हमारे पास सीक्वेंसिंग में 8 किस्म के न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स होते हैं, 4 नॉर्मल DNTPs और 4 experimental DDNTPs. Formamide loading buffer is required to stop the reaction. Then tris HCl is required, 1 molar solution at pH 8. Enzyme is the most important component here. ये जो प्रोटोकॉल हम जिसके हवाले से बात कर रहे हैं, प्रोसीजर के हवाले से, that is basically dependent upon the Ampli-Tac CS polymerase. इसके अलावा किसी भी किस्म का पॉलीमरेज यूज़ किया जा सकता है, बट वी हैव टू इंश्योर दैट द पॉलीमरेज शुड बी डेफिशिएंट इन एक्सोन्यूक्लियस एक्टिविटी ऑफ टैक डीएनए. अगर टैक डीएनए को देखा जाए, टैक पॉलीमरेज को, इट हैज़ बोथ द एक्टिविटीज लाइक पॉलीमराइजेशन एंड न्यूक्लियस एक्टिविटी, बट सीक्वेंसिंग के लिए we need to use that one component which have only the polymerization ability and no exonuclease ability. Then we need thermostable DNA polymerase and cycle sequencing buffer, 5x cycle sequencing buffer, which is composed of tris HCl and magnesium chloride. अब यहाँ पे एक दो चीज़ें जो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं सामने रखते हैं उनको, कि एंजाइम variations are going to introduce changes in the buffer compositions or any change in the conditions required for time incubation or something like that. So we have to ensure that जो भी हम enzyme purchase करें from commercial sources, उसकी जो instructions हैं to use उनको follow किया जाए. हर enzyme की use के हवाले से conditions थोड़ा सा vary करती हैं. So we need to be careful while using the enzyme and the conditions. Oligonucleotide primers are required which are radio labeled at 5' end. They can be radio labeled, they can be fluorescently labeled. Template DNA में चूँकि हमने start पे इस पे बात की, cyclic method is good for single stranded as well as double stranded templates. So we can use plasmids, cosmids, lambda bacteriophage, M13 bacteriophage DNAs purified from the large or small scale culture. That means mini preps or midi preps or maxi preps. By any method, अगर हमारे पास DNA sample मौजूद है जिसको हमने sequence करना है, then we can use that particular template DNA but in purified form. Keeping in view the nature of the template, the amount of the recommended amount of the purified DNA is shown in this table. Double-stranded plasmid DNA can be used from 20 to 200 femtomoles. Single-stranded bacteriophage M13 can be used up to 50 femtomoles. Bacteriophage lambda DNA can be used 20 to 200 femtomole, or cosmid DNA double-stranded can be used 50 to 200 femtomoles. These are the recommended concentrations with minimum and maximum concentration that can be used for cycle sequencing. Then we come to the special equipment required for this particular method, microfuge tubes or microtiter plates depending upon your number of samples. Then these plates are labeled, either these are color coded or these are labeled with GT, A and C to set up 4 different reactions. Then we need a thermal cycler, programmed thermocycler, so that we can adjust the time and temperature for denaturation, for annealing and for extension. This table shows you the required volumes of each and every component of the sequencing reaction. For DDCTP, we have this composition for these volumes required for different ingredients: DCTP, DTTP, ATP, DGTP, and only DDCTP 80 microliter. And this is going to be supplemented with tris, HCl, EDTA, and this one volume of water required to equate the volumes at the end of the reaction mixtures. So we can follow this table to set up the 4 reactions and proceed further for sequencing.